What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. You guys already know who it is. In today's video, you can see that we are installing a new front lip because mine came off. Here she is. Take a guess. So, long story short, I'll throw a clip in. My bumper flew off on the highway and it ripped off the whole bottom part and everything. So, let me show y'all. This was already halfway off, so I don't really have to do anything. But for you guys that have a normal bumper, as you can see, it's gonna be clips all here. This right here rests inside of here. Again, this isn't a tutorial, so it is what it is, but damn, this ripped off too. I'll be able to show you guys moments before it happened, actually, because my boy was recording, luckily, my coworker. So, but yeah, this is all ripped. And the fog lights ripped off, the screws. So I don't know if I'm gonna even put those back in. I might just leave it in for more airflow, because the cold air intake I'm gonna put back. But I'm gonna finish taking this off, and then maybe in a week it'll be here. It'll be the next clip for you guys. But in a week, we should have the new lip. And also, there's gonna be a screw behind here. When you take this out, this is where your grill is. I had mine removed so you can see the M for the intercooler, but this is where your grill usually is. So it's gonna be a screw behind that, and you're gonna have to lift this to get this out. So same thing on the other side. And basically, next clip you see is us unboxing it and putting it in the car. All right, so we finally got everything off after taking it apart. This is the part that goes in the bottom grill, like I was telling you, with the screws. And then this is the part that ripped off and ripped the bumper on the highway. Which is crazy, because it looks like it's fine, but it's a piece of shit. All right, so it's been around a week or two since the last clip. Like I said, it'll be right away for you guys, but it finally came in. So we're gonna start opening it up and see how it came out. Here goes nothing. This was right here. This is everything. Hold on. I sound like a fucking spender. Imagine that, bro. $300 for this plastic. $300 for plastic. That's crazy. This shit better. Let's open this shit. All right, y'all. So I just unboxed my carbon fiber lip because I paid $300 for fake carbon and plastic, whatever. But anyway, so we got everything here: the bottom part, the front grill, the lip. This shit, we can throw that in the trash because that's ricey. Here's all the hardware, and I think we're gonna start off with putting this on first. I don't think there's any right way to do this, so I'm gonna put this on first and strengthen the bumper up, and then we'll put these two pieces on. All right, my boy just pulled up. Yo. Yeah. There we go. So we got the two whips. All right, y'all. So I just finished putting the front grill on. There's the two screws I told you about, and then you're gonna clip the fog light garnishes back over it. Yo.
Yo.
Say what's good to the channel, dude.
Here, what's good?
What's good? Yo, you want to show them what you got for your car real quick?
Oh, yeah.
We about to do?
Yeah, I got you.
I'm gonna have to cross them up after this. Yo, where'd you get this? This is stock?
This?
Yeah.
OEM.
Bro, what?
From Acura.
Oh, HPF or whatever it is.
No, that's from Acura.
Yo, that's fire, man. They gave you some real carbon fiber, but not me.
The mirror caps from Acura, too.
We got those at least. Look at the goodies we got.
Acura.
Damn, my boy got the whole 9 yards.
Then we got some PRL holder, short ram intake, actually, sorry.
But I get some nice turbo noises.
Yeah, so this one is different from the other one because it makes it louder. So with the stock one, it's kind of like, you can barely hear it. But this one, you should hear a lot of...
Yes, sir. You already know. Damn, man, he got the white interior. Yo, my neighbors be making mad noise for no reason, bro.
And then front emblem. Acura, this lights up.
Oh, and you got the light up badge too. That's fire. Hey, Diablo, bro. Niggas making mad noise. Anyway, all right, y'all.
I was hoping you had some rims, some spare rims to first.
Some spare rims. Nah, I only got my beat up ass wheels that broke.
Ran through 3 pairs of rims.
Nah, more than that. This is my spare.
You had the first set, then you got another set. This isn't your third set of rims, no?
I traded my stocks for.
Yeah, I know, but then you got those first ones when you had the car wrapped. Then you got another set after that.
I had 4 sets in total.
Oh, okay.
5. 4 or 5. I can't remember. But this is my spare because you know the SIs and our cars don't come with a spare. And then these are all my ugly ass.
Winter beat?
Yeah, basically, but they cracked, so now they don't even hold air. I literally have Indy 500 tires on them too. Yeah, on the inside.
I would just take the fucking tire off of it and get rid of it.
No, I'm hip, bro. I'm gonna put those on. Put those tires. Yeah, this shit right here, this front lip. Look at this, bro. I don't know if this is real carbon fiber. I don't think it is, to be honest.
Did you scratch it already?
That's what I'm saying.
This motherfuckers. You can buff that out though.
Yeah, that's alright. But my bumper's about to be strong as hell.
Yeah. I know this dude literally ripped off the front.
Yo. Alright, y'all. So we just got it in. It's a bunch of clips at the bottom. Mine's missing clips, obviously, because of what happened on the highway. But it came with hardware, so we're gonna screw it in. Like right here. We're having some issues with it staying up. But that's literally exactly where like one of the clips broke too. My fog light is still not even in. It's alright, I'm gonna leave that open for the PRL intake. But look at this carbon. This farbin.
What you could do is on both sides here.
Bunch of self-tappers in that bitch. That's what I'm about to do.
Yeah, so just on this side where it's not sitting properly, we can push it down. You can send a self-tap right where that hole is.
Yeah, for sure.
We'll hold that in.
For sure. Alright, you guys, so we just got the bottom part on. I don't know how it's supposed to go and there's no instructions, so obviously I'm gonna do it how I want. But yo, we put mad screws in there. Also, the self-tappers they gave you are too long, so I have my own mini ones, but ideally I think you're supposed to go this way and down, but I went up. So just watch out for the lip because you will drill into the top and it will look ugly. But I think that shit's on there pretty good. All right, you guys ready for the reveal? It'll be better looking on the car. Not too bad.
Nah, that shit does look clean.
I'm excited to put these parts in the car.
No, I will. I know, bro. It sucks cooling out of my thing, bro. I really need to fill my coolant reservoir, bro.
Oh, the clips in the... Oh, wait, yo. Want to put this down real quick? Yeah. Let me check my mailbox, because I think one of them is here.
Oh, nice.
All right, you guys. So, my package just came in. The bumper clips. So, we're going to put that on first, then we'll do... So, basically, we're just taking this out because there's a broken clip here. So, my bumper keeps popping out. And we're going to replace it with the new one. Where does it go? Something like that. Yeah, there it goes. So we're gonna replace that real quick and then we're gonna put the new bumper back on. All right, so we just got the new ones in on both sides just to make sure. So we're gonna try to put the bumper on now. Yeah. Moment of truth, guys. Let's see how low it is. Damn, shit's hitting everything. Doesn't help my front bumper clips are fucked. Yeah, they are. All right, y'all. Here she is so far. Looking mint. Let's see. Now the front finally matches the side skirts. Hey, W tattoo artist. Yo, that shit looks hard as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Was this like this? Was this supposed to be?
All right, don't mind my engine bay. You guys already know I need to put fender liners in before I clean it, but Here she is, finished product. That lip is actually beautiful. My car doesn't look like Bokeh Dia anymore. But now we about to put a PRL intake. Oh, this is gonna be nice and easy. Yeah, look how much cleaner his engine bay is. And then the intake. I mean, the intake. Shift knob. All right, I didn't do much filming because I was trying to figure out. We were trying to figure out how to put it on, but we finally got it. That shit is beautiful.
Should be secure.
But I have some nice turbo noises. Now we about to put on. Damn, I can't believe it comes with this shit stock.
No, that's not stock.
Oh, you said it wasn't stock?
No, yeah, I bought it, but it is OEM from.
From.
Acura.
That's fire though. Now we're about to put that shift knob on.
Start her up. See how she.
I'll let you do it so I can record, and because I don't want to get your shit dirty with them white seats. All right, so I just put the red pinstriping on the front. I'm probably gonna take it off because I don't know how I feel about it, but comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the red pinstripe. I'm taking genuine opinions. So here's another look at the lip before we end this video off. There's a lot of grass, so it's hard to see. But the lip overall is pretty nice. I just think the red pinstripe is too bright. I know I said I wasn't gonna put it on at all, but it's nice to try shit out just to see how you like it. If I've maybe finished it this way, yeah, but I don't think I would do red. I think I would do a different color. Cause stay tuned for next video, but this bad boy is getting wrapped a different color. So I might do it the same color as the wrap. You guys may never know. But you're gonna have to find out. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I didn't get to do an intro yesterday because, I don't know, I just forgot. I'm currently at my driving class right now. We're getting a couple surcharges or whatever it is. Some stupid bullshit, but like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video because we got some good shit coming. Just know that we got a wrap coming. Y'all ain't gonna know what color that is. The wrap actually came in today. I haven't seen it yet myself, but just so y'all know that's coming, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, peace.